Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to go over 5 of my favorite affiliate marketplaces for you to get signed up for today. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Austin. On this channel we talk about all things entrepreneurship and making money online. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is or what an affiliate marketplace is, I'm going to tell you that real quickly. Affiliate marketing is essentially where you promote somebody else's product and you receive a commission anytime a sale occurs. And the affiliate marketplaces that we're going to talk about today are places where businesses or companies go and they list their affiliate programs for you to have access to, so you could just partner with them directly through an affiliate marketplace. And it's an all-in-one marketplace where there's multiple companies for you to get affiliated with starting as soon as today. So if we take a look at the computer real quick, you'll see I'm on a web page known as Jvzoo. This will be my very first affiliate marketing place that I'm going to talk about today. Is going to be Jvzoo. And you can see right here, sell more with us. You can start selling more today. So if you're a company, you would want to come here and click start selling more today. And this allows you to publish your affiliate programs for affiliates to get access to. But that's going to be for a whole different video. For this video, we want to specifically talk about how you can be an affiliate for the companies that are on this website. And if you take a look right here, you can see Payoneer, Aweber, Stripe, PayPal, Slack, GetResponse. Those are some big software companies that are on this marketplace. Those are just some examples of companies that are here. And then if you take a look, instant affiliate program with 800,000 plus active affiliates right there. So you can see they have over 8,000 active affiliates. They're a very established marketplace. So that's definitely something important when looking for marketplaces. So I absolutely love this one. You can see right here, never pay for bad traffic again. Affiliate payments are made easy. Every time you make a sale, the affiliate commission will be instantly be deposited into affiliate's Jvzoo pay account. So you easily get to withdraw your funds to your own bank account from the affiliate dashboard. So the Jvzoo has a dashboard for all of the affiliate programs that you promote. You'll get commissions sent right here to the Jvzoo dashboard, and you get withdraw them directly to your bank account. I believe you could also do PayPal or Stripe, but don't quote me on that. But I know they can go directly to your bank account. And if you were to be a seller, you can see that you'll only pay when you make a profit. No setup and maintenance fees. It's completely free. But again, we're focusing on being an affiliate, so you can see it's 100% free to use. So you can sign up today. You get to keep 100% of the commission you earn. So you literally, whatever the commission percentage is that is agreed upon with the partner that you choose to affiliate for, you get to keep that 100% commission outside of if you spent ad revenue. So you don't have to pay Jvzoo any portions of your commissions. And there are never any hoops to jump through to get paid. It's as simple as withdrawing your funds from your dashboard. As you can see here, they have automated affiliate payments. It allows you to set it up to where you get paid automatically. So right here, you'll ever only pay when you make a sale, and that's the big advantage of using Jvzoo affiliate program. So yeah, you definitely just get paid. You'll get paid on time, guaranteed. You don't have to chase down vendors to get paid, and what that means is all of the affiliate partners. So let's say you're promoting over 200 companies, right? They will all be stored in the dashboard of Jvzoo. So you don't actually have to go remember a bunch of logins on different websites. You don't have to remember websites and actually have to try to get your payments all the different times. They will be stored right here in the Jvzoo Marketplace's dashboard, and it'll be as easy as you just withdrawing your funds when they become available. And then you have all your affiliate data and stats in one convenient place, again, so you don't have to be all over the place trying to make sure and just look at analytics and all that stuff. It's very nice to have in one place. I absolutely love Jvzoo. And again, they have a lot of good partners like you saw, Stripe and stuff like that. And then worried about regulations, they've got you covered. Obviously, they're a big company. They're very compliant. So you don't have to worry about all of those regulations that maybe individual vendors probably have, or don't have it in place. So definitely another advantage to working with a trusted marketplace. And again, here as an affiliate, you only promote fully compliant offers that you can be confident in recommending. That is super crucial to be successful in affiliate marketing, is to be promoting products and softwares that you know, like you really trust, that are good products and softwares that are validated, and they're not like, I guess some people would call a scam. So yeah, that's definitely a good thing, because you don't want there to be any risk to the consumer side or the customer that you are getting this in front of, because then that would end up being not a long-term sustainable business, and obviously put bad reputation on yourself. So and like this right here, don't risk your good reputation. So you don't have to worry about that, because all of the products here have been vetted. And right here, they say the lights are always on, which means that you could, the desk is manned by real people 365 days a year. So if you ever need help, you just reach out to them, and support is there to help you. If you ever have any questions whatsoever, if you have any issues, maybe setting up your wire transfers or bank deposits, anything like that, they've got you covered. They can totally help you at any given point in time that you need every day of the year. So that is very beneficial. I did want to scroll down here to the frequently asked questions and show you guys something right here. Can I start selling immediately? Yes, as soon as you join, you can add your first product. It's instant, it's free, you never have to pay. And then right here, Jvzoo already has over 800,000 active affiliates that have made over $1.2 billion in sales. Again, $1.2 billion in sales. So that is like, that shows you that, again, it vets Jvzoo. They've been around a long time, and they do pay out very well. So can I control who promotes my products? Yes, if you're selling, and obviously that's not a big deal for you, because you want to be an affiliate. So what you would do, you would just scroll back up to the top, and you would say start selling more. No, you would just want to say start for free. And you're going to want to be an affiliate. You'll have to register for a free account. You'll just fill this all out, and then you'll be approved to be an affiliate, and then you can start promoting products as soon as today. So that'll wrap up our very first marketplace. Let's go over to my second favorite affiliate marketplace, and that is going to be CJ.com. It's known as CJ Affiliate. This is not the homepage. Let me go back to the homepage. This is what it will look like when you first log in, and you can see right here, 1 billion plus monthly. Reach more global customers. That's how many customers they reach every single month, is over 1 billion people. And so where do you fit in the picture? Again, this is just like Jvzoo, but it's obviously different partners and stuff. You'll see right here, advertisers, expand your brand's reach. That's if you're a company and you want to sell. You want to be what they call a publisher. You partner with the world's best brands. You earn commissions by partnering with the most widely recognized brands. So this is what you're going to be. That is essentially an affiliate. So if you want to sign up, you would click sign up right here, and you'll fill out the form just like the last one. But let's go back and let's read a little bit about CJ Affiliates. So let's scroll down here. More brands, more opportunity, more growth. Absolutely. The more brands you have access to, the more you could offer your audience. So let's just scroll down and let's just read a little bit. $1.8 billion annual publisher commissions. That means in a year, they pay out $1.8 billion in commissions to their affiliates. That's a huge number. Endless opportunities. Over 4.8 million relationships have been created annually. And if you look at some of the largest brands that they work with, if you look over here on the right, you'll see Barnes & Noble, Lowe's, Overstock, Priceline, Office Depot, J.Crew, IHG. These are some big clients. I know you've heard of them. If you want to check out more, you can click right here where it says client success stories over here on the left, and you can hear what other people have to say. So it's definitely, you can see it. They've been in, I think it was over business for over 7 years. The largest and most established global publisher development division with an average tenure of over 7 years in the industry. Yeah, so people stay on there for over 7 years on average. And again, you can see right here, I don't want to read it all, affiliate personalization. You could design, maximize the value of affiliate partnerships, cross-device, which is awesome, cookieless tracking, insights and analytics. I know that sounds super foreign, so I'm not going to dive into it because it's not a big deal. Just know this is an amazing marketplace. Adding content monetization suite, and again, they'll have customer service as well. Robust APIs, so some very crucial stuff for you to be successful. So definitely check out this one. I think right here it even talks about their get paid in over 150 currencies. So it shows you that if you work if you're an affiliate, this works all over the country, or all over the globe, the world, in many of different countries. They have different currencies they pay out in. They do direct deposit, check, global payment partners, Payoneer, and a few others. I think they even do PayPal and Stripe as well. So don't worry about if you're in a different country. Just make sure you can sign up with them, and they should have something to fit you. So scroll down a little bit more. They don't really have much more. They obviously have a lot you could read about, but I don't want to dive into it too much. And then again, on the top right, you could just click sign up and get started as soon as today. Let's go over to my third, and that is going to be Awin. Awin.com. So if we check this one out right now, it's the same essentially, kind of like the other ones, with just different brands, different opportunities for you to get into. And you can see they have 15,200 advertisers, 211,000 plus publishers, and 150 million sales generated in 2019. So that's also huge. So you get a solution for advertisers. Our network connects retailers if you want to advertise, solutions for publishers if you want to receive your commissions. And if you take a look at some of the partners, Groupon, The Motley Fool, HP, Magic Links, Naked, they got some big companies, Etsy, Affirm, Under Armour. So again, a lot of trusted brands are inside of Awin. So you could definitely want to become a partner for this. And if you do this step by step, guys, like just follow these step by step. Go to jvzoo.com, go to cj.com, go to awin.com, go to the next two I'll talk about.com when I get there, and then sign up for these. So in case they take a couple days to get processed, at least you'll be approved. And by the time you're approved, you can start promoting as soon as you're approved. So you may as well have them. It's no cost to you. You don't have to pay any money. So you may as well be approved. So if you do get into affiliate marketing and actually diving into this, then you'll already have access to these, so you can start getting your content out there to other people. And if you look right here, you could actually read the Awin report right here. I'm not going to download it for you guys. They got a little video and stuff right here. But it's essentially the same thing. Market insights. You obviously, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, how to use Awin, everything is right here. So I'm not going to show you exactly how to use it. But you just go here and check it out. Sign up for be a publisher. You can join the network as an advertiser, whatever you want to do. All you have to do is click sign up right here at the top. Just like any other ones, it's going to pop up a form. You just fill out the form. And as you see, it says company name, tax residency, and you're going to pick. If you don't have a company name, I highly recommend you get an LLC. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so let me throw a disclaimer out there. I'm not a tax advisor, financial advisor, or anybody of some sort of advisor. But I highly recommend you do set up an LLC, and that will give you tax benefits and obviously a lot more. It separates your personal assets from your business. So I highly recommend it, but it is not essential. You could work as a sole proprietor using your first and last name and your social security number. But again, I always advise to seek legal advice, professional legal advice for starting your own business. So that is essentially Awin. Let's jump over to number 4. Number 4 is going to be ShareASale.com. And as you can see, it is a partner of Awin. You can read it right there, part of Awin. So it's like essentially another part of Awin. So it gives you a little bit more access to a few other companies and stuff. And again, it says 15,200 merchants, 211,000 publishers, 150. I like to be in both of these just in case. And so I have 2 different marketplaces, and you can see solutions for merchants, solutions for agencies, and affiliates. So you can partner with the brands you love, which is what you want to do, and like Retail Me Not and Groupon. So I don't want to beat this one too much because it's essentially just like a partner of Awin, where maybe they have a few other things like Spanx and BuzzFeed and Honey. But you'll just want to partner with brands you love right here, and you'll come in here and you'll see right here $915 million earned by affiliates last year. Affiliates alone got paid $915 million in commissions. 260 affiliates join each and every day. And then there's 15,200 plus brands across all of the sectors, giving you plenty of products to promote. So you'll never have to worry about that. And that's why I absolutely love marketplaces. And again, all these marketplaces are almost essentially kind of like Jvzoo. They're going to have that dashboard that we talked about to where all your commissions come into one place and you get paid out directly from your marketplace when you need a withdrawal or do an automatic or set up an automatic payment. So I absolutely love that. Transparent and intuitive reporting, discover the right partnerships. You get to look through it all. You join merchant programs, you promote and publish, and you engage and you monetize. It's essentially that simple, guys. You're going to partner with somebody. They're going to give you a unique affiliate link, which is a unique URL that tracks back to you. And then you find a way to put it in front of an audience, whether it's social platforms, whether it's advertisements, and anytime somebody clicks that link and makes a purchase, you receive a commission. And the commissions are based off of the partners that you decide to partner with. I'll show you on the next platform how you could kind of see that. So I'll log in. So let's dive over to number 5, which is partnerstack.com. And here it is. Again, it's going to be another marketplace, just like the other ones. Companies win markets with partnerships. You can see they have Monday.com, Bill, QuickBooks, Intercom, Headspace, Evernote, Unbounce, a bunch of good digital softwares and stuff that people use in their businesses. So I love working with, I love softwares. If anybody's been here, you should already know that. But software programs are amazing because they're digital, they're online, businesses use them. It's an easy sell because you're not really selling, you're just providing value to somebody. And they need this kind of stuff. So I absolutely love them. You can scale multiple channels. You can track partner links, leads, and deals right inside of Partner Stack. And I know that doesn't sound like that's way over your head, but just get in, go through some of the free training on some of these marketplaces, and it's super simple. Honestly, it's just reading data reports. Embed customer loyalty programs, sell directly through distributor networks. So it's super easy to use. It's essentially just saying you get an affiliate link, you can sell directly through their programs by driving traffic directly to the company that you decided to partner with. Let's go ahead and you can see automate your partner payouts as always, just like the rest, and get access to the best partners. I'll scroll up and I'll click there. Let's just let's go right here and go to the marketplace, and I'm going to kind of show you. It's going to automatically log me into my account, I believe. Yeah. So we're logged in right here, and you'll see how this works. If say I want to promote Deal, I'm going to click join, and I'm going to join Deal's affiliate program, and it shows right here you earn 30% on all sales. So if I want to promote Deal, I know I'll get 30% of every sale that there is. And if you just scroll through here, you can see all kinds of different ones. On the left, these are the featured. They have just added HR, sales, marketing, accounting, development. They have all different sorts. Like Monday, Milio, Miro, and you can just click like development. And in fact, let's click marketing. Let's see if I see something in here. Startups.com, Sendinblue. But you can see there's a whole bunch in here. And productivity stuff for like, yeah, for businesses to use. Well, I don't want to beat that too much, but people fall in. You could literally click all programs, and then I think you'll see some of the ones I promote if they'll pop up. I know they did. It's actually like Jungle Scout right here. I know I promote that one. That's a big one I promote. You guys probably heard of me talk about it on the channel. Maybe if you've been around. If not, then it's one I promote. 25% off the first sale of all plans. Octane II, Cloud Task. So Thinkific, it's a training platform. I definitely promote that one as well. 30% for all new paid referrals. So you can see how awesome this is. I don't want to click around too much because I don't want to get into my dashboard. But all you would have to do on this one is the same thing. Scroll to the top. And it's going to log me in, but you just click sign up. You can book a demo if you want to talk to anybody to get a demonstration of how it works and the best way to use it. But I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, please, and smash that like button to help the algorithm. It would definitely help me out and get this video out and try to grow this channel. So I would greatly appreciate that. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.